Some evening are loud, some are quiet, and today is one of those quiet evenings. There are still so many little things waiting for me, but I have learned that home is not built in one big moment. It's built in these small ordinary moments we repeat every single day. One thing motherhood has taught me is that someone is always hungry, but honestly, there is something so comforting about knowing everyone will gather around the table before the day comes to an end. I have realized that the little things we do today make tomorrow so much easier. A few minutes of preparing tonight means one less thing to worry about when Monday morning gets in. While dinner is cooking, I try to keep everything moving. If you're a mom, you know the world does not stop. You just learn how to do five things at once. Sometimes I look around and I wonder how there are always clothes to fold. Then I remind myself this laundry belongs to people I love, and somehow that makes the job feel a little lighter. Sunday morning can feel so rushed, so I like giving my future self a little help. Trust me, tomorrow me will be very grateful for tonight me.
Wow!
This family dinner may seem ordinary now, but I know one day they will become memory that I will try not to rush these little moments together. I don't expect my children to be perfect. I just want them to grow up knowing that a home works best when everyone does a little to help. Children don't stay little forever. Some days are exhausting, but I know I will miss this tiny moment someday. My favorite part of the evening is saying goodnight. It reminds me that no matter how busy the day was, we made it through together. Before I end the day, I always take a quiet moment, pray. Life is not perfect, but there is always something to be thankful for. After taking care of everyone else, it is finally my turn. Even if it's only a few quiet minutes, they matters. Most people only see the finished video, but this is the part they don't always see. Every vlog is edited with love, one clip at a time. Another day is done. It was not perfect, but it was real, and sometimes that is more than enough. Thank you for spending another evening with me. Sleep well, and I will see you in the next vlog.